Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So on this video, I want to show you guys how one of my clients went from 536 and now they're at 610. Now I want to tell you guys about this account and other accounts because someone stated that they weren't unable to get approved for the milestone credit card. And my thing is, if you can't get approved for a milestone credit card, there's literally a few things that's wrong with your credit and you need to take care of it because Milestone is like one of the easiest credit cards that you can get, and they have very high interest rates. They're for people that have a very, very low credit score. So if you can get that, it's something about your credit report that they just don't trust you. And if that credit card company don't trust you, then there's something that you really need to fix because you're not going to have other companies trust you. So someone said they applied for a card and it was not able to get approved. And let me show you the card that they were referring to. So that card is all the way at the bottom. And this is on my website, Rickita.com. So that's the Destiny. This is the one that I'm referring to. And usually you can get like a $500 approval on it. But again, you can have bad credit, but if you can't get approved for this one, the easiest card you can get. If you can't get this one that have high annual fees, there's no way you're gonna be able to get other credit cards. And it's just a sign. When they say you can't get approved for something like this, then there's certain things that you just need to do. Because you see the client started, let's go back up to their credit score. They started as 536 and now they're at 610. That's 74 points. So when you can get approved for an account like Milestone, um, maybe Michelin, um, any of those credit card companies, then you need to start off with these ones that's going to help you build your credit score. Now, this one right here is the kickoff account, but this is not the one where they're going to report a $750 account or a $2,500 account. This is the one where you pay $10 per month for 12 months and they report to the credit bureau every month because that won't report to all three bureaus. The other account don't report to all three bureaus. And I've been looking at credit reports lately and they're not even reporting to the two bureaus. I had one client, they're only reporting to one bureau and they still owe them $60. I'm like, this is not good at all. Don't even think about extending this, okay? And that's what I told them. But this one right here is going to report to all three bureaus. I did a video testing this out, so you can probably find it on my channel. But this one will report to all three bureaus. So if you can't get approved for accounts, try the kickoff account first, okay? Because they don't care what your credit look like. You also may need to try some secure credit cards. So Self have a secure credit card that you can try. And I like Self because this one right here, I show how a client got 85 point increase. Again, these are the ones that's supposed to help you build your credit, especially if your credit is in the 500s. You should not be trying to get any credit card that's unsecured because it's going to be very hard to get that credit card. You're going to be getting so many inquiries for no reason. You really need to build up your credit first, and then you can apply for those cards. So you can get this one. Now with Self, you're going to get a credit builder account too, sort of like Kickoff. You pay a certain amount per month, but you pay on this one for 24 months or 2 years instead of 1 year with Kickoff. But you can still get both of them. Both of them can help you increase your credit score. Okay. And then with Self, once you have at least $100 saved, make 3 payments on time, you don't have to pay anything additional. That money that you've been paying to Self, you can actually put that into a secure credit card. So I suggest this to a lot of people that have a very low credit score because this can get you where you need to go as long as you are doing what you need to do, paying on time, put everything on auto pay, you'll be good. And that's going to report to all three credit bureaus. If you cannot get approved for a credit card because your credit score is just so low, nobody give you a chance. The credit builder card, they're going to give you 2 credit cards and they're not even going to check your credit. It is a secure credit card, so it's going to be a $200 deposit. But again, they can report to the credit bureau for you. I see a client that got this and their credit score went up 87 points. Okay, so this is where you need to start first so that you can start building your credit so that you can get to better credit cards. But you need to start here first. Now, I know this is not available in Wisconsin, so that's why I do suggest Open Sky. So if you guys are in Wisconsin, you can't get that, or I think Nevada, you can't get that either. Get the Open Sky Visa. You're only able to get one of them, but this can help you build your credit. When I filed bankruptcy before and I had to build my credit back up, I use Open Sky to build my credit, and it helped me out a lot. So to know that I used the Open Sky to build my credit before, I suggest it to everybody because you have to start somewhere, okay? And then not only do you have to get more accounts, I want you to get at least 4 accounts. And there's a lot of different companies on here that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. Okay. Not only do you need to build up your credit, you really need to delete like the negative accounts that you have on your credit reports. You need to delete those accounts. So you may look at your credit report and you may see that you got some negative accounts on there, like such as these accounts. I have to help my clients get these accounts removed. Community Bank, um, New York and Company, Credit One Bank, Capital One. If they look on there and see that you still got these accounts listed, they're not gonna want to give you a credit card. You got collections on there. You got student loans that's in default. You got a bankruptcy, this bankruptcy. All these accounts I'm sure you have been removed. Bankruptcy being deleted. This is how you're gonna get approved for credit cards. Because you gotta think about it. Who wants to loan somebody some money if they know they're not paying other people back? What company you think will want to do that? You wouldn't even want to do that as a person. But that's what you got to do. And once you do that, you're going to start seeing your credit score increase like this too. Okay. So please make sure you guys are listening to this and really like, you know what, I need to do something, because if you don't do something now, you're going to wait a whole nother year and realize you just need to do something. Or you may wait a few years. You may give up and then try back in a few years when you could just start with some secure credit cards now and been on the right track. Now, for deleting those accounts, I do have free dispute letters here that you guys can use. It's free. So definitely click right here, get your free dispute letters. It's going to be emailed to you right away. I'm going to start posting more live videos showing you all how to fill out these dispute letters. Okay, so I'll show you guys how to fill out these dispute letters. And if you guys already use this, I have targeted letters. So say if you have late payments you need to target, use my late payment removal letters. You got student loans, collections, charge-offs, or bankruptcy. Use these special letters. And always, I have my membership. If you guys sign up here, you're probably going to get emails because usually on the holidays, I send out emails with like 20% off, 25% off. So you can get a percentage off for your sign up fee for your membership too. And in the membership, I mail out the letters for you. I actually figure out exactly what account you have and I target those accounts with certain letters because certain companies, certain letters work with those companies. Okay. So that's what I suggest for you all. Again, if you can't get approved for credit cards, or especially these very, very easy credit cards, it's something going on with your report. Because there's no way, me personally, I would apply for that credit card and they would deny me because my credit score is good. My report is reflecting correctly. So if you have any questions, also schedule a call with me. I'll be happy to go over your reports with you and figure out what you need to do to increase your credit score and also help you get approved for some credit cards. I'll see you guys in the next video.